quick update for the shop. Trying to get it organized, cleaned up a little bit. So got the floor cleaned up just a little bit, mostly in that corner back there, because I just finished putting this shelf up. So now I can get some of that stuff that I don't use very much, mostly storage stuff, out of the way. It's a billion degrees out, so I think I'm gonna move that where that is. And I made this shelf so much shorter that even when I'm over here, I still get light. So while I'm working, so that worked out well. Gotta hang those once I get it. So my next project, or excuse me, obstacle, is I think I'm gonna build a bench, and I don't know if I'm gonna build it all the way across or to about right here, or maybe from here this way, so I can leave some long steel boards, things like that. I got to repaint that because you can probably see the outline. The fat head that I have fell right off it, so I think I need a glossy type paint on there so I can put that back up. And then once I get it going, that's where the chimney pipe is going to go for the coal forge, because I primarily want to go back to coal forging. Nothing wrong with propane. I just I could forge weld easier in coal, and I really enjoy the process more using a coal forge.